Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is felencialchristian and welcome to this wait. Hello everybody, my name is felencialchristian and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to this new Wellness Wednesday series called What's in My Holistic Medicine Cabinet. Yes. Since 2015, I've been on a quest to find healthier alternatives to all of the options out there, which led me on the path of becoming an herbalist, which led me to here right now telling you about all of these amazing herbs and supplements that you can use to better your health. In today's video, we are going to be talking about none other than the thing that is sweeping the nation right now, sea moss. Irish sea moss, that is. Sea moss is a type of red algae that grows along the Atlantic coastlines of North America, Europe, and the Caribbean islands. And since the 1800s, the Irish have been harvesting it from their rocky shores and using it as medicine. And let me tell you why. Irish sea moss contains over 92 of the essential minerals that the human body needs to function properly. It helps with thyroid function, it helps with functioning of the digestive system, it helps boost your metabolism. It's a great source of pre-workouts to give you that energy and that boost that you need, and it's also great as a post-workout because it's going to help you in recovery. It promotes healthy female and male vitality. Most importantly, especially during this time of year, especially during 2020, it's great for immune support. So let me show you how to make Irish sea moss gel, and then I'm also going to show you how you can take it. Let's go. Now, when you buy just regular Irish sea moss, more than likely it's gonna come like this, dehydrated in raw form. So all you have to do to hydrate it is get a big bowl, place the amount of Irish sea moss you want in it, add water and lime. Now what the lime is going to do is the lime is going to pull out any of that ocean taste, any of the salt that might be stuck in the Irish sea moss. So as you can see, my sea moss went from looking like this to this overnight. Now you don't have to soak it for 24 hours. You can boil it, and that only takes about an hour, but I like to soak mine overnight because to me that's proper hydration. I don't want to boil any of the nutrients out. So yeah, now let me show you how I make the gel. Now that I have drained and cleaned the sea moss thoroughly, I'm going to show you how I blended to make Irish sea moss gel. So I have my cup measure. I'm going to measure out just a little over a cup. I'm going to pour it into the blender, and then I have a cup of spring water, and now I'm going to blend. And there you have it, this creamy consistency. Let me go get a spoon so I can show you just how it looks. Here it is, just nice and smooth. So I've put it in my 16-ounce container. As you can see, that made a little over 16 ounces of sea moss. You can keep it in the freezer for an entire year from the date that you do it. So today is November 17th. So November 17th, 2021 is when this will expire if I freeze it. And if you want it for everyday use, it can stay in the fridge up to 21 days. So I know I barely scratched the surface with telling you everything that sea moss has to offer, but I just wanted to kind of dip your toe in it to get to know a little bit more. And if you want even more information about it, feel free to email me. My email is in the description box, or DM me on Instagram. I'm going to put my Instagram on the screen somewhere, and also it'll be down in the description box. And I'll tell you all of the things that you need to know. Everything that you want to know, I got you. I'm here for you. I forgot to say how I use it, what I do. What? Look at me. Okay. So, now there are many ways that you can use the Irish sea moss. You can take it just cold turkey, just like get you a spoonful, girl, and just take it. You a bold one. You a bold one if you can do that. But there's really no taste or anything, especially if it's handled properly. There, you won't taste anything really. But another way you can use Irish sea moss gel is by adding it to your smoothies, adding it to your coffee, adding it to your tea. I do all of those things, and each way I notice that I still get the benefits. So any way that you use them, if you use any of the ways that I just mentioned, they're good. You're good to go. You will not lose out on any benefits by putting it in a smoothie or putting it in your coffee or your tea or your pre-workout, post-workout, whatever. So yes. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. In the comment section below, tell me how you use Irish sea moss gel, like how you take it, so maybe you can help somebody else out that maybe want to try it. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell so that you know exactly when I post, okay? Because I'm posting vlogmas style, baby, vlogmas. Okay, I will see you guys sooner than you think. Bye.